Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Winnebago Model 2401 RG. It's a rear kitchen model, front bedroom. You can see it's got the slide out, high gloss gel coat. It's shinier than other trailers. There's a reason for that. There's a thicker gel coat on the exterior. It's going to keep it looking shiny for years to come. Also, fiberglass cap on the front to protect your investment. You can see we got the big W right there on his chest. Super Winnebago. We've got a power hitch jack, black diamond shield, LED lights built right into this cap. Down the side, tinted glass, power awning, outside speakers, and radial entry doors. Just a few of the compliments on this trailer. Also, magnetic fasteners, slam latch compartments. Oop. And you can see, when we open this up inside, all nicely finished off too. Aluminum frame construction on these trailers. And of course, they're a Winnebago. They're made back east. A lot of Amish craftsmanship going to these. Alloy wheels. Even the floors, all plywood. The cabinets, all plywood. No press board in these things. It's got walk-on roof. Comes with its own ladder. Backside here, you can see the spare tire and rear bumper. Continue around the side. See our slide out here, back side of it. All the hookups are here in one convenient location. We got our shower, city water, cable hookups, that sort of thing. And you can see it's just nicely finished off all over. Let's look at the inside and see if we can say the same thing about that. This has two doors. We're going to enter from the rear. Oh, by the way, solar ready. Most of our trailers are now. You can simply plug in a Zamp solar panel and you're off grid. What a contrast with the dark floor, the light walls, and almost white ceiling. Very spacious ceiling inside. Of course, I like a rear kitchen anyway because of the extra countertop space you get, but you can see the quality that's gone to the drawers. They're all plywood with ball bearing metal roller guides. Storage underneath the sink, as well as overhead pantry storage. The microwave over the top, built-in backsplash. We have our Dometic refrigerator freezer combination. Great use of the space right there. You can access your slide power, lights, etc. Speaking of the slide, we've got a jackknife sofa here, so we have more sleeping accommodations, which matches the window treatments, storage overhead, as well as a light. And what's also part of the slide is this big wardrobe storage. Man, if you're going on an extended stay, that's some bonus room right there. Rounded corners on the dinette booth, which also converts to a bed for guest sleeping. And you can see you've got a window right here to enjoy the view. The TV overhead, maybe in the evening. The AM, FM, CD, DVD player, and overhead. We also have some more cabinetry. Our bathroom, which does access the bedroom as well. We've got our glass shower stall. It's a neo-style shower. Stainless steel sink with a medicine cabinet. Of course, our toilet, foot flush toilet. And we'll just continue on in the rear bedroom. We have walk around queen size bed. That's what everybody likes. Windows on both sides, so you're still soaking up that nature view. Wardrobe on one side. Storage overhead. Of course, the door to the bathroom, the door to the outside, and our TV that pulls down from the ceiling so you don't have to attach it to the wall. It's up out of the way for travel. Quite convenient in this 2018 2401 RG Winnebago right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.